Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. Welcome to Guarantee RV. I go by Coach. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. If you've got any questions about this coach or any other coach here on our lot, please give me a call, 208-250-8625. Today it's my pleasure to show you this Four Winds 22B 22-foot coach, 2019. Let's go inside and take a look. This coach is equipped with backup camera and side camera. Great coach, great floor plan in a small footprint. So here we go. Going to start back in the bedroom. This coach just got here, so this is a fresh one. This is your slide right here. This gives you a walk-around queen bed in the back. We were after him for quite a few years to give us a short coach with a walk-around bed. So here it is. It's not a corner bed. Window in the back, big TV up here on the wall. Closets right over here, big closet space with access from this side and from the side by the dinette. Big drawer right here. Now in the corner, in a small coach like this, check out the size of this bathroom. Great size. These corner baths usually have a lot more room in them. Okay, we've got a two-door refrigerator, freezer up top. As we move into the kitchen area, we've got a microwave. This coach is equipped with a 3-burner stove. Flips up just like that. And an oven, which is nice. You got lights under here and windows in the kitchen, which makes it really nice. Got a sprayer on your faucet. Big one sink. Big mirror here in the dining room. Dinette. Here's the access to that closet again, with more storage here on the end. Can't ever have too much storage. Got a slide drawer here underneath the dinette. As we look up front, we've got our overhead bed area with a huge TV that comes out, swings out so everybody in the dinette can see it. We move into our cockpit here. You have electric mirrors, heated mirrors. You know, you've got cruise control, you've got side cameras, backup cameras. You got all the bells and whistles. LED lights underneath the awning. Always nice when you're barbecuing. I'm going to turn the lights off, keep those batteries charged up. As we move along here, we've got a storage compartment underneath. A couple of hookups right here, outdoor power, electric awning. So we move around the back, your receiver's already there, you've got your plug-in, backup camera up above. Topper on the slide, help keep that slide clean when you bring it in. Storage area here, plenty of room for a barbecue, chairs. Gas fill up there. Santa flush to wash out your black tank. You got your outdoor shower right here. You've got city water connection there. Here's your cable hookup. Here's where your electrical cord goes. Here's your generator right here. Onan 4000 gas generator. Access to the propane tank with a gauge so you know where you're at. Plenty of windows on this coach. You can see here's your side camera. Always nice to be able to check your blind spots. If you have questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guarantee RV when you're looking at our website, give the coach, that's me, a call at 208-250-8625. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Hopefully you can come in and take a look around.